notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload professional bag making tutorials every week, so it is very good for you to subscribe to this channel because you'll be learning a lot. Yes, we'll be learning a lot, and we'll train our students to become professional bag makers. So if you want to become a professional bag maker, subscribe to our channel right now as I am talking. Have you done so? Okay, have you clicked on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video? Yeah, so all right. Okay, so click on that bell, and after you click on the bell, you see all, you see personal. Click on all, the first one, so that you always see all our videos. Okay, so having done so, let's get into the tutorial of let's get into today's tutorial. Okay, so I want to teach you how to make a beautiful flask, water flask or water bottle bag, carry bag, just like lunch bags. Okay, so this one is for water bottle. So a customer came and I want to make it for the customer. I measured, okay, the flask, and so this is what we're going to be doing now. Okay, so now the measurement of this, I'm using this beautiful leather material. Okay, so I have my foam, okay, and I'm having my lining. Okay, so I'm also going to be using belts, these belts, okay, Oyibo people call it webbing strap. Okay, so I'm going to be using this belt. So the measurement of this bag, because this is what I want to put, by the time I'm done with this bag, this swan water bottle 75 cl should be able to enter it comfortably. Okay, so he wants to carry it. Okay, so now the measurement is 12 inches by 14.5 inches. The wideness is 12 inches while the length is 14.5 inches. Okay, so now how did I arrive at this cord? All I did was I joined it together like this. I joined the width side, one of the widths. Okay, this is the 12 inches side, so I just cut it like this. I use my scissors to just trim it to this point. Okay, so it's something that is very easy. I actually forgot to show you that part. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut my line. Whenever you're cutting your line, make sure it's bigger than you can see that my foam is bigger than the main bag, isn't it? Okay, so now the next thing you should do is get the center of this very material you're working with. Okay, so look at it. Once I get the center, I will notch the center. I'll also come to this point. I will notch the center. Can you see that? So I have the center notched already. So, and then for my belt, I'm using 13 inches belt. So cut your 13 inches belt, and the this belt is 1 inch belt. Okay, you can decide to use the one that is bigger, so it depends on your choice. Okay, so now the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be fixing my belt. See, I'll do like this. So I'm measuring like 1 inch. So let's see, let me measure it. So can you see, this is 1 inch, and then I'll come here. You can always mark it with your marker. This is 1 inch. Okay, so I will stitch here and stitch. So let's quickly stitch this. So this is what I have. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing now is to fix our I need my zip knot, so we'll be using zip knot. Give me zip knot. See what I have. So I'm going to trim off this. I want the shape of my foam to be the same thing with the shape of what I'm working with. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is, where's my lining? see, I'm going to stitch this lining round. See, I'm going to stop stitch this round. When I'm done, I will show you. We'll continue. So I'm done with this. So the next thing is I'm going to trim off all the excess. Okay, I don't need that, so I'm going to trim it off. I don't think I should show you this, right, because of time. All right guys, so now you can see I'm done with the trimming and everything. The next thing is to fix my zip load. Okay, so now we are fixing the zip load from this point to the next point. Now in fixing my zip load, remember I wouldn't like my work to look rough, so I cut out this lining. I cut this should be like 1.5 inch, okay, and the length of, you know, your lining, so it doesn't. So I'm now going to fold this like this. Do you see? So I'll come here. Look at what I'm going to do. I want to pipe it so that it doesn't show any I don't want the foam to show, you know. I want to hide the foam. So this is how I'm going to do it round. So this is how I follow it gently until I'm able to, you know, this curve. You need to be careful with the curve. So you don't need to rush the curve. So drop your comments in the comment section. So comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you forget to subscribe. Also, we have a Telegram class where we teach our students that really want to go into bag making. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. We upload beautiful professional tutorials on bag making every week. So to be up to date or to be informed, to kindly subscribe to our channel. Once you get to this point, you backstitch it well. Okay, so see what I have here. All right guys, so after now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this like this, so that it doesn't obstruct the zip when it's being dragged, when it's being dragged. Yes, when you want to open or close it. So I'm going to stitch this one. So let me just show you the starting. So you just stitch here. Let me remove this one. See, I want to detach this zip. I don't need the second part. So I've actually shown you everything, right? This is what I have now. So I want to fix my zip head. also called runner. Okay, so I'll make sure that they are equal. See, so I will cut off the excess and then fix my runner like this, like this. Drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, so you see what I have now. So I will see, after having this now, I want to turn it inside out, okay, so that I can stitch, but I will make sure that the one I fixed did not pull off or pull out. So see what I have. So I'm going to stitch this like this. I'm stitching here. I'll stitch it well. Okay guys, so now we are done with this part, right? So you can't leave your work like this. You need to be professional. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Let's teach you how to become a professional bag maker. When you try it at home, people will be amazed that, is this person a professional? Yes, this is what we do here at Tarron Innovative World. We bring up professional bag makers. So if you would like to become more professional, join our Telegram class and you will never regret that you did. Okay, so I'll cut this. Alright guys, so we're almost done with the tutorial. So now I'm going to stitch here. You see, did you see what I just did? I'm going to stitch this side, so it should be like 1 inch. Okay, so you see what I have here. So I will now come to this place. I will also do the same thing. I'll do it this way and stitch the same 1 inch. You measure it from here to this point, 1 inch, okay, and you stitch it. After you stitch it, the next thing, the final thing you're going to do is just to cover it with your lining. Okay, so see what we have. You can see what we have here. So I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to cut this like this. So you see, so I'm not going to leave it this rough, okay, because I need my work to look professional. Okay, so I'm going to just stitch this. All right guys, so now you see I have also used I've piped this, right, using the same lining. Okay, so now the next thing is, let's test it. Let's see if this will fit into our let's see if our bottle will comfortably go into this. So see what I have. Do you see? So guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have. Okay guys, so if you've learned something, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You're going to learn a lot. Thank you so much. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section, and also if you have a video suggestion, suggest in the comment section. Don't forget to join our membership on this YouTube channel, where you will see join it, pay a little token so that you have access to other videos that are for members, that are exclusively for members only. And also you can join our Telegram class. Okay, so it's ongoing. All you need to do is WhatsApp me on the number, with the number on the screen. Thank you so much. Bye for now.